In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom moveset in TSP. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In TSP, or the Strongest Battlegrounds, you have the option to access the skill builder to make custom skills and assign them to your character. So to do this, join the experience, click on the settings icon, and in here, scroll down until you reach the map category. Under map, you will have build mode and skill builder. These are going to be the two most important options that allow you to make custom movesets. However, they will require private server plus, so keep that in mind. It is going to cost you $4.99 Robux. So when you go over to map, if you have private server plus and you click on skill builder, this is what you are going to see. So in here, you will have different builds. They will be assigned to your character and they will be numbered. So build 1, build 2, build 3, and so on. You will have to give each build a name or each skill a name, then a cooldown in seconds. So for example, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and so on. And then you can choose the plus sign to begin. So give it a name, cooldown, click the plus sign, and you will see the timeline. Once again, to start the timeline of this build, click the plus sign, and then you will finally see this interface. Now at the left, you will first have to choose a skill, so which skill is going to be used on this build, and then the animation, which will be left on default if you don't choose anything else. So the default animation for the skill that you choose. So let's say, for example, you choose Doom Dive. And then in here, you will be able to assign a custom animation to Doom Dive. You can also change the attack speed and animation speed. So usually, if it is a very powerful move with a lot of build-up, you might want to decrease the speed. So it is very slow, dramatic, and once it hits, it is going to be very powerful. If it is a quick move like a jab, a punch, you might want to increase it. So it feels faster, snappier, and so on. Anyways, change these according to your preferences. They are going to appear on the timeline, and you can add new ones if needed. Once you have it done and you are satisfied, choose the build button at the bottom of this menu, and now the build will be saved. To actually use this move, go over to the build mode. So once again, open the settings and then click on build mode. Inside of build mode, you will have to go over to tools and place down a block. So in here, once you choose build mode, place down a random cube or block somewhere on the map. It doesn't matter. We will be assigning the build that you've made to that block, and once you touch the block, you will get the custom skill. So now, with the block placed, go over to Tools, Moveset, Modifier, and then you will see all of the moves, including any custom move that you've made. So you will have Custom 1, Custom 2, and then all of the game's default skills. In here, assign the custom move to the block. So once it is assigned, you will be able to touch this block in-game and get the move on your character. I hope I was able to help you on how to make custom moveset in TSP. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us bring you the highest quality videos about the Strongest Battlegrounds or any other Roblox experience. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.